3.
Hello everybody, my name is Sapa. Today I want to tell you about my favorite day. My favorite day is Saturday. Because Saturday, it's weekend and no school.
On Saturday,
And Saturday, I like to play phone because fun and many games in phone.
second,
Second, I like watch TV in my house because many film.
what do you like to watch? With whom do you like to watch?
House things.
I can do many things.
I can do many things in house, and I usually like
Help.
help my family.
So